Bitcoin mining BTC cloud mining had a major update today, and here are the changes. The first major update is that they changed the ads from 60 gigahash per second all the way down to 10 gigahash per second. So you can watch 30 ads and you'll get 300 total gigahash per second. And what I'll do for tomorrow and the next day is watch all 30 ads, get all 300 gigahash and see what the next few days give me. And then I can come back and report whether watching the free ads are still worth it. But the biggest change is the spin it to win it wheel. So you'll click permanent spin wheel. And you'll see the new spin wheel get permanent mining power. So you can get a $10 spin that will give you up to 14.4 terahash per second. But remember, it's $10 for just one spin. The least you'll get is 400 gigahash per second, and the most you'll get is 14.4 terahash per second. But in my Discord, there was actually 6 different spins that people did, and it never got higher than 1.6 terahash per second. So just be careful. But what I'll do over the next couple days, I'll find out what 300 gigahash gives me per day, and then I'll go over each one. It says 400, 700, 550, 980, etc., etc. And I'll break down which each one will give you a day, and we'll see if this is worth it. But honestly, no matter what the math is on this, it's incredibly risky. If you don't have real ASICs backing up your miners, you can't trust anything like this long term. But of course, just for the channel's sake, if the math does work out and looks pretty good, I'll probably do one $10 spin, record it, and share it with you guys. I want to hit that 10,000 sat threshold to withdraw, and you can see that I'm about a quarter of the way there. So hopefully between, the ads that I'm watching, we'll see if that's still worth it, and the $10 spin that, if that's worth it, and hopefully I can get to 10,000 with that. But if it's going to take me forever to get to 10,000, I might have to rethink it. One last little update on the very bottom, if you click purchase mining power, it'll just kick you out of the app. In my opinion, this is going to be updated soon. They're probably going to change, the statistics they had from before. And so look for an update for that as well. If there's any major changes, I'll be sure to report it. But make sure to check out my video soon for a more accurate look at what this can earn you at this point. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'm always on the lookout for the best Bitcoin cloud mining apps and do my best to break them down for you. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.